Hello people, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Mangoes are in season, and what can be better than different kinds of mango recipes which we can quickly and easily make at home. Our today's recipe is mango kalakand, which can be made in very less time and is equally tasty as the ones which we get from shops. Making sweets at home gives immense pleasure to us. We can combine different kinds of fruits and vegetables to make our sweets. So let us get started without much ado. The quantity of ingredients which I will be using for demonstrating the recipe will be sufficient for around 6 to 7 kalakands. After boiling 500 ml milk, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar so that I can curdle the milk to make the paneer out of it. If lime is available at hand, you can use that juice also. We can see that the water has separated from the paneer, and now we will take a very clean white cloth and in that we will pour the paneer and separate the water. We will discard the water which has separated, and also we will squeeze out all the extra moisture by wringing the cloth in room temperature water. Now I will wash the paneer so that the sourness from it gets reduced. We'll keep the paneer in this position for some time. Till then, let us prepare the mango puree. Here I have taken 2 mangoes around 200 grams of weight. This I have cut into small pieces, and in a blending jar I will blend it into a very smooth puree. Our smooth and silky mango puree is now ready to be used for the preparation of the mithai. In a pan, I will add 2 teaspoons of ghee. I have emptied the mango puree in the heated ghee. This will give a very beautiful odor to the kalakand. Now I will mix the mango puree well along with the ghee. After this, I will crumble the paneer and mix it well along with the mango puree. We will have to mix the mango puree along with the paneer very gently and thoroughly so that there are no large chunks of paneer left in the kalakand. I have added sugar in 2 batches. The quantity of it will depend upon the sweetness of the mango as well as your individual preference. I have crushed 2 cardamom pods and given it into the mithai. This will give a very nice smell. Now along with it, I have added 1/3 cup of milk powder. Milk powder will soak all the extra moisture from the mango puree and will help it into formation of a solid mold. I will give just a pinch of turmeric powder to lend it a nice yellow color. Kesar or saffron can also be used for this purpose instead of artificial color. Our kalakand has dried up, and now in a rectangular shaped box, I will place all the kalakand so that we can cut them easily into pieces as it gets little bit cooled. With the aid of a spatula, I am evening out the level of the kalakand. One can garnish the kalakand with their choice of nuts. You all must have noticed how in very little time we prepared such a delicious sweet. Now I will cut the kalakand into desired shapes and pieces, and it is now ready to serve as your dessert item. Surprise your family members with this fabulous mango kalakand and let me know in comment section your views regarding this recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new and different style of cuisines which I occasionally bring in my channel. Take care, stay safe, see you again soon with a new recipe. Bye.